Jai Srimannarayana. 46th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kiritinam Gadinam Chakrahastam Ichchamitvam Drashtumaham Tadhaiva तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते। ओम Visualize, picturize and meditate upon a beautiful, most pleasant form of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma has 4 arms. Krishna Paramatma is holding Sudarsana Chakram, holding Gada, and Krishna Paramatma wearing a beautiful Kiritam. Such beautiful form, such handsome form, such pleasant form is also established, consecrated in the center of world first Gita Stupa in Bentonville. You do darsanam and keep meditating upon and keep absorbed into Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Krishna, Oh Srimannarayana, I shall meditate upon your most pleasant form. I shall picturize, I shall visualize that you are holding a beautiful Sudarsana Chakram. You are holding Gada. You are wearing a beautiful Kiritam. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall meditate upon your 4-armed, beautiful, handsome, pleasant form. I shall also remember that this is the form which is consecrated in the center of world first Gita Stupa in Bentonville. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यास महर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 198th ಡೇ. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, the one who receives oblations from all the yajnas, now he is sitting in the middle of all the Gopalas and eating their food, and Krishna Paramatma showing his miraculous, beautiful, captivating activities, young activities. Devatas are getting shocked to see, getting wondered to see all those things. Krishna is sitting in the center. He is holding the curd rice in his left hand and holding pickles in the center of the fingers. Then Mati Mati Kivrelu Madachi Vurinchuchu Vuragayalu Tinuchun. And now and then he is eating that pickles, and he is giving food to others. Others are giving food to Krishna, and everybody making the bites of food and giving to everyone. Like that, all the Gopalas along with Krishna enjoying Brahmanandam. So while they are all engaged in eating, their calves went all the way into deep forest. Vatsaha antarvane duram vivisuhu trunalobhitaha. To eat grass, all those calves went into deep forest. Seeing that, all the Gopalas started getting worried and scared also, because there will be so many cruel animals in the forest, they might eat these calves. Then Krishna Paramatma, Krishnaha tasya bhibhayam, the one who frightens the fear, who is a fear to fear. Such Sri Krishna Paramatma now saying to Gopalas like this, you all do not worry about calves. I will go and bring them back. Do not stop eating. You can continue eating. I will go and get all of your calves back. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Gopalas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 46th sloka. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam. Ichchamitvam drashtumaham tadhaiva. Tenaiva rupena chaturbhujena. Sahasrabaho bhava Visvamurte. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam. Ichchamitvam drashtumaham tadhaiva. Tenaiva rupena chaturbhujena. Sahasrabaho bhava Visvamurte. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.